we made it. We have reached 1000 subscribers. When I started this channel, I was even struggling to get 100 subscribers, and I can't believe that we made it. We, as this community, together, we made it. I can't thank enough you guys for your support. 1000 is a reason for us to celebrate together, and I will make sure that at least I will post out one video that's useful for you in the project management area every week. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And for all those subscribers, I want to give you back something. So I'm thinking of a giveaway program. So if you're watching this channel, comment below to get entered to the giveaway program. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel and say you are a new subscriber. For those who are already subscribed, just comment something that you want to see next in this channel. So in order to be considered for the giveaway, you have to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and you leave a comment under this video. So that will automatically make you part of this giveaway program. I'm going to announce that in my next video when we hit 1100. Thank you again, guys, and keep liking my videos, and thank you so much for showing the support. I really appreciate all your support, likes, and comments. So see you in the next one. Bye.